So while giving your speech, there's a couple things that you want to do. So you want to make sure that you have a good written speech. So you want to make sure you have a good introduction and a good conclusion, and that what you're giving your audience is worthy and it's worth their time. So you also want to make sure you have good eye contact. So you're not like looking in the distance, you're not just looking at your note card that you might have to help you. You also want to make sure that you have good volume and good articulation. So you want to make sure that the audience can hear you and that you're not repeating yourself, you're not stuttering, and you're not rushing through something. You also want to make sure that you are putting emphasis on stuff that you want to emphasize and you want the audience to remember. You also want to make sure that you have good posture and good gestures. So you don't want to be slouched. You don't want to be like hands on hips, hands crossed. You want to be standing straight up. And you also do not want to be like all over the stage. You want to be like center of the stage, because that's basically what you are, and you should be everyone's focus, and you shouldn't be distracting, and everyone should be listening to your speech and not like paying attention to like what you're doing with your hands or like where you might be. So that also goes for like no hands all over the place, and you want to make sure that like you have little hand movement but it's not too dramatic.